Hi, house friends. How are you? It's Mona here with Kickstart House, and welcome to this video on the reasons why you should hire out for your home renovation or remodel project, and how do you know if you're hiring the right professional? Stick around to find out. In this In this video, we're going to talk a bit about whether you're making the right decision to hire out for your construction project. And then we're going to talk about how you can figure out whether you're hiring the right professional. Because one of the big mistakes that homeowners make is that once they decide they need to hire somebody for their project, they often reach out to the wrong professional. So if you needed a landscape architect and reached out to a landscaper, you're going to get very frustrated when they either can't do your job or you're going to get delayed when you expend all this energy, get bounced around before you figure out that you called the wrong professional to begin with. Or if you're looking to hire a builder for your new house, but started off with a handyman you worked with before, then you might discover that that's not the right skill set for you. So we're going to look a little bit into the reasons behind why you are hiring and delegating and outsourcing out the build of your project and what you can do as a homeowner to be empowered in the process and make sure that you know your options and can actually hire the right professionals for the job. But first, my channel Kickstart House is all about supporting the homeowner journey and navigating home renovations. If you find this information valuable, be sure to subscribe and you'll be notified of all our videos. This one here is the third of a three-part series, so you can always go back and watch the first two where we talk a bit about the do-it-yourself process versus hiring out and whether DIY is the right decision for you or not. Here in this video, we are focused on the hiring out part because we're assuming you've arrived at the fact that that is the right decision for you and your project. Be sure to click that subscribe button and leave me a comment with anything you have to say. Reason number one to hire out for your project is that you just don't have the expertise to do it yourself. Now, believe it or not, many homeowners don't recognize that. We are bombarded with images from television, magazines, social media that make it seem so easy to work on our houses that we all feel like an expert because we all live in one. And yet, construction is very complex. Everything really does tie into each other and mistakes can get very costly. So if you recognize that you don't have the expertise to do the project, nor do you have the capability, the will, the desire, the time to research and figure it out, then hiring is a great decision for you. Another great reason to outsource your project to professionals is that you simply want to do more faster. So if you're remodeling your kitchen and your bathroom, and your life is going to be on hold while you don't have water or electricity, and you need to move out of the house and rent temporary housing to get this done, then hiring a team or a crew makes a lot of sense. You can get so much more done when you have a crew working for you than if you were to do it yourself. It's less of that intense disruption on your life, which allows you to spend your time doing the things that really matter to your life, your family, and your life's purpose. And reason number three, why it would be a great decision for you to be the boss of construction instead of a do it yourselfer is that you simply have a really busy or hectic life. If your plate's already full and you already have a bunch of obligations and responsibilities, the best use of your time may not be to work on your house, even though you may be capable of it, even though you may enjoy it. It just simply may not be the best use of your time. So look at your project holistically in terms of your life, your purpose, where you want to be, how you want to spend your time, and what your values are. And if you've got other stuff going on, it's okay to say, hey, in this season of my life, I'm going to hire out and delegate the project. Because even though I'm able perhaps to do it on my own and smart enough to be a weekend warrior, do I really want to do that right now? And give yourself permission to hire someone. That means that your effort now needs to go into how to be the boss of construction, how to be the patron of construction. And this gets to the second part of our topic today, which talks about how do you know whether you're hiring the right professional for your project and your life. Now, to answer this question, we have to recognize that everybody's project is different. So there is not going to be one right solution for everyone. So someone else's great contractor may not be a good contractor for you. And a good contractor for you may not be the next person's great contractor. Knowing that everything is very individual, where you've got to approach this from a matchmaking or alignment point of view. You need to know what your options are, have a big picture framework of how the renovation is going to go about, and then be able to make those high level decisions to design your process and build the team around your goals. If you go into the link in my bio, I've got a free download for you called the Renovation Roadmap. The Renovation Roadmap is specifically a framework I developed for homeowners to understand what the big decision milestones that they need to go through in order to prioritize and hire a team and get their project built. It's not the process that your professional is going to follow. It's not the process for your designers or architects, contractors, or builders. This is a process for you, the homeowner. And it's a process that's going to empower you to know how you're assembling the right team, a team that you trust, and a team who can get your project done. So get on over to the link, get that free download, and I hope that's going to be a good resource for you. In the meantime, if you're getting value out of this channel, be sure to click subscribe or leave me a comment. And I will see you next time for more videos on how to navigate home improvement projects, remodels, renovations, and builds.